Hi friends, I am K. Chaudhary. Here we will talk about now will be able करने योग्य होना, right? Yes, he will be able to speak English very soon. बहुत जल्दी हो जाएगा इंग्लिश बोलने लगी हो, ठीक है? तुम बहुत जल्दी इंग्लिश बोलने हो जाओगे. You will be able to speak English, okay, very soon. English में in English very soon. Right, we can say that. Will he able to do work? क्या वो काम करने योग्य होगा? Right, या क्या तुम काम करने योग्य होंगे? क्या तुम ये काम करने योग्य होंगे? Okay, will you able to do this work? Right, will you able to win this race? ये रेस जीतने योग्य होंगे आप या जी? When will he able to work? कब को काम करने योग्य होगा? कब तुम कमाने योग्य होगे? ऐसे बोलना है तो when will she able to earn money? कब वो कमाने योग्य होगी? कब वो कमाने योग्य होगा? That time we use he. When he will able to earn money, right? When she able to drive Activa, she will able to drive Activa soon. जल्दी हो जाएगी वो चलाने योग्य, right? She will be, now she has little bit hesitation to drive, but after some time she will be able. Like this, they will be able to play chess soon, right? वो chess खेलने योग्य हो जाएगा. I have Vitar Khan K. Chaudhary. Please subscribe my channel and present comments and like also. Let me see the some example also. डॉक्टर साहब मेरा ब्रदर कब चलने योग्य हो जाएगा? When will my brother able to walk? We can speak. When will my brother able to walk? Right? तो in this way, when will you able? ठीक है, तुम कब पढ़ाने योग्य हो जाओगे? When you will able to teach in the class, right? When will you able? Will you able to teach in the class? In the class. In this way, we can speak, right? You are learning singing, right? So when you will be able expert to sing, कब हो जाओगे expert to sing? After some time, right? When he will able to sing on the stage, कब आप स्टेज पर बोलने लायक हो जाएंगे? When will you able to speak? When will you able to speak on the stage, right? In this way we can speak. When will you able to do dance? कब डांस करने योग्य जाओगे? Right? Yes. When will you able to understand the people? कब समझने योग्य हो जाओगे लोगों को? In this way we can speak now. When you will able? When will you able? In a written we use will you able. When will you able to understand? To understand people, right? Yes. In this way, yeah. When you will able to read Hindi, कब हिंदी पढ़ने योग्य हो जाओगे? कब तुम इंग्लिश पढ़ने योग्य हो जाओगे? Right? Yeah. कुछ समय बाद. He will be able to read English after some time. Very soon. You can say that. He will be able to read English very soon, बहुत जल्दी, right? So in this way we use can say that. You will be able to make video. Yes, easily. Yeah. So please subscribe my channel. You will be able to mop on the floor. It is very easy. You will be able to sweep. You will be able to make chapati after some time in my company. हो जाएंगे चपाती बनाने योग्य. Okay, yes, you will be able to make chapati very soon. Quick, I will learn you how to make. You will be able to drive car. Yes, you will be able to teach in the class very soon, very early. You will be able. So it is very nice topic. So please subscribe my channel and present comments and like also because you are my fantastic viewers. So you will be able to learn English very soon in my company. Bye.